In this video, I'll show you how to send invoices on QuickBooks Online. First, create or open the invoice you want to send. Intuit says you can start from plus create and choose invoice, or go to sales and open your invoice list. Once the invoice is ready, QuickBooks Online gives you options to send it by email, share it with a link, send it by text or email, and in some cases, even share it through WhatsApp. Next, review the customer details, especially the email address, invoice amount, and due date. Then choose Review and Send or Save and Send, depending on the invoice layout you have in QuickBooks. Intuit says the exact buttons can vary because some users see the new invoice experience and others still see the old one. After that, check the message that QuickBooks will send to your customer. You can usually edit the subject line and email text before sending. When everything looks right, click Send Invoice. Once it's sent, QuickBooks lets you track the invoice status, so you can see whether it was sent, viewed, or paid. If you want to make getting paid easier, you can also turn on online payments so customers can pay directly from the invoice. Intuit says invoices can support payment options like cards and other online methods, depending on your setup. So the simple process is create the invoice, review the customer details, choose review and send or save and send, check the message and send it to your customer. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.